Hi, in this video we'll be talking about raw strings. A raw string is a string with suppressed escape sequences. Sometimes we want to print an escape sequence literally. Let's say the escape character \n. There are two ways we can do it. If we try to print this sequence just like any other string, the newline character is added, and that's not what we want, because the newline is actually added. Let's have a look. Now here we have the escape sequence, newline, character for newline. Now, this is what we get. We use and here we actually get the newline. So the other part of the string is on a new line. But what we want this piece of the text, this string, printed literally as \n in the string. So the first method is to double the backslash, like so. Double backslash. And what we get is a single backslash. We use the \n character for newline. This time it works, as expected. And the other method consists in preceding the opening quote with a small or capital letter R. Have a look. Here we can add a small r, and now what we get is we use the \n character for newline. So it works the same as here, but we don't have to double the \n character inside the string. Now we can also use capital R, like so. There's no difference. Fine. Well, this is especially useful if there are many escape sequences in the string. So it would be uncomfortable to double them all. Let's try to print a path. Well, it doesn't work because the slashes in the path must be preceded by escape characters. Have a look. Let's try to print the following path. It's a Windows path, and what we get is a syntax error. So let's add the escape characters. All we have to do is add one more slash before each existing slash. Let's do it now. So, one more slash here, one more backslash here, one here, one here. Well, now it works. But it's quite a lot of tedious work, especially if there are many of them. That's where raw strings come in handy. Have a look. Instead of doubling all these backslashes, we can just add R before the opening quote, and it works the same. Okay, that's it for this video. If you like it, a thumbs up would be great. Also, make sure to subscribe for future videos. If you want to leave a comment or ask a question, you're welcome to do so. Thanks for watching.